Guys, we're in the Terrace Condos, Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club. We're going inside an Arbor model. This was by the builder. Now hedge fund owns it. They're selling it for $377. You guys stayed at the end of the video. You're not going to believe what I can actually get this place for. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. It does come with the deeded golf. You see, you step right into the kitchen. You've got a pantry over there. You've got the nice crown molding. You've got 42-inch tall cabs. You've got tons of storage, lots of counter space for prepping, cutting, serving, all of that. Under cabinet seating here, under cabinet seating here, your dining room space. Look at this wall detail that they did. I love it. So cool. Plus the paper. Anyways, this is coming turnkey, totally furnished. So what you see comes with this property, all this beautiful decor. And then you have this great view of the golf course, the golf path. You've got preserve over there. And over here from an angle, you have a nice water view as well. So you get all that wildlife and just kind of a lot of layers to the views that you're looking at here. Let's take a look at our owner's suite. Huge room. We've got a king-size bed here, 2 large chests of drawers, the dresser. Again, wallpaper, furnishings, everything's included. We've got 2 walk-in closets, a his and hers. We have a lovely ensuite here with our shower enclosure, our granite countertops, and there is a linen closet on this side as well. Let's head back out. Okay, to the front here we have our guest bedroom. The bedrooms are carpeted. The rest of the place is tiled. This is a queen size bed just for reference for you. And then over here we have our guest bath. Again with the granite. Nice, I don't know if that's a wallpaper or a painted situation. Tub shower combination. And then over here we have our full size washer and dryer. So very convenient and out of the way location. Okay, as I promised, they have it listed for $377. They are out of their ever-loving mind. You guys, this thing should be priced at like $277. But honestly, I could probably get it rock bottom price. I would say $260. $260 would be like a rock bottom price, all inclusive, furnished, decorated, deeded golf. If you're interested in that, listen, you've got to go to buyahousewithbarbie.com right away. Contact me, like, subscribe, follow me, all of that. But reach out to me because this place is going to go quick, especially since I just told everybody they can get it for $117,000 less than what they're asking. So let's talk about your wish list.